Okay, I'm on a site with Jeff and I can't show you much of it, but right there I've got a 70 and another one right there. Alright, so one there, one there. Anyway, $2, good-o. Now, I've got another one just here. It's right there. Let's just do the... see if it's there with the pinpointer first. Well, right on the top. There you go, no need for digging. Two $2 coins right next to each other. Pretty sure that's a $1 or $2 coin. Right there, it's pretty deep. It's pretty hard to do this one-handed. This place is going to be demoed, so there's no big stress. But okay, it's right down there. Let's try and flick it up. Oh, I felt something then. Let's go with the hand. And there you go. There's a $2 right down there. So now what I do, like I said, this place is getting demoed. We have permission to be here, but still do our best to make it look nice, and we've actually found evidence of people getting in here. This facility is not going to be used anymore, but we still do a nice job. There you go. Bit of activity here. I've got a 63.65, which should be 20 cent or 50 cent. Another one here. One there. One there. Get me stabber. Mark that one. And work on this one. Saying it's right near the top. Should be a 50 cent or a 20 cent. More likely to be a 50 cent. Oh. It's right there. So we got him. Yeah, I can feel it. It's quite large. Should be 50 cent. It's a 65. And there you have it. 50 cent. I think I've got something similar just here. That's the result of the hole. Just tidy that up. Now let's have a look at this one. Whoops. It's right there. Yeah, got another one. Well, coin. It's not confirmed yet. Bit hard with the camera to retrieve it quickly. Alright. Put the... just break things up a little. Okay, I think I'm on the coin there. Got him on the tip. Oh yeah. It's going down the hole. And look at that. Another 50 cent. So two quite close together. Now I've immediately gone along, there's a wall here and grass. I'm not going to show you, I'm not allowed to show you. But there's a bank that goes up to the right. Jeff's been going up and down, and I've been going this way. Now, I've got a solid 76 here. It just shows why you need to, at 5 centimetres. It shows why you need to crisscross each other. So, oh, I think I can see it. Oh no. Anyway, better just put that in. Could be a bottle cap. No, it's $1. I can see it already. Ooh. Oh, you could hear it on the end of the stick. I thought I heard it touch.
Oh, I heard it there. There it is.
There we go. Something there, Jeff. Come on, Jeff.
$1.
There we go. Look at that. Could be a $2. There it is. $2. Jeff's getting some action over here. Just got another 2.
Over $2.
Good one, Jeff. Now this coil, Jeff, is limited edition because if you see a dog coming and you want to hide, you just go like, and it blends in with the grass. It's got grass on it. You just like, and that's it, mate. And people won't see you. And when they're gone, you keep going.
Camouflage coils.
Hey?
Camouflage coils.
Yeah. Oh look, Jeff's. Jeff
cam-
actually ordered one after I did.
One after I heard about coils, and
So
here's camouflage. See, you move it.
look, Jeff.
You stop.
Jeff, I can't see it, Jeff.
Go on.
Move it again, Jeff.
Move it.
Oh,
See?
there it is. Oh, we're crazy. This is a 75. That's pretty good signal. Try and do this one live. Jeff's on the Goldie over there. Okay, we're over there now. What is it? Oh yeah, I feel it. It's $1. What do you got, Jeff?
Double that.
$2. There we go. There's my $1 and Jeff's $2. I'm not joking. I just finished mucking around with that one, and right next door there's another one. I kid you not. Put you down for a minute. I'll do the cuts. There we go. Put this in. Same depth too. Oh yeah, there it is. 150 centimetres, or I'd say 100. Another $2 coin. Nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Do have to do it up high so we don't give away the location, aren't we, Jeff?
Yes, you're kind of doing that.
We have smashed and grabbed. How much was the total?
162, I think it was.
Alright, $162 altogether. And it looks like I got fooled with a lot of trash. Maybe Jeff buried his to hide it like me. So we got some odd bits of brass and copper, and Jeff found half of a English 1 pence, I think that is. It's got the little gate and that on it. All the gold is glistening in the sun, eh, Jeff?
Yes, epic hunt.
Epic hunt. And does the person who found that ring get to keep it?
I think so. Yeah, I'll let you have that one.
If it was
Get the hacksaw out, cut it in half.
24 karat gold, then it'd be a different story. We don't know, but I found that it's got a couple of stones in. One's missing. It's supposed to have 3. So, well done, Jeff. I think we've had a gutful now.
I think it's time to go.
Time to go.
Yeah, sick of digging goldies. Don't want to dig goldies anymore.
No, we've had enough. Had enough.
I'll leave it for another day.
We're coming back next weekend, aren't we, Jeff?
I think so.
To finish it off.
Yes.
That's when our window of opportunity finishes. Alright, until then.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.